Thinking of starting a career in data analytics in the United Kingdom? Here's your 60-second quick guide. First, what is data analytics? It is the art of turning numbers into decisions. Companies use it to spot trends, solve problems, and grow faster. Now, why is it booming in the United Kingdom? From finance to healthcare, United Kingdom industries are investing heavily in data-driven decisions. And that means jobs, lots of them. Step 1. Learn the basics. Pick up Excel, SQL, and a bit of Python. Sites like Coursera and Udemy are perfect for beginners. Step 2. Build projects. Show what you can do. Analyze real-world datasets on Kaggle or make dashboards using Power BI or Tableau. Step 3. Get certified and apply smart. Certifications like Google, Data, Analytics, or IBM help your resume stand out. Apply for entry-level roles or internships. Many are remote-friendly. Tip: join United Kingdom-based LinkedIn groups and attend virtual meetups. That is how you find hidden job leads. You do not need a degree to start. You need skills plus action. Your journey starts now. Let data be your superpower.